Good morning, class. Hope you guys have a great day today. Sorry I can't be there, but I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. I wanted to just take a quick moment to show you how you can use the draft checklist document as a PDF version. Again, as I stated in my report section here, if you'd like a paper copy, I'll be sure to run off quite a bit when I get back. But if you're more techie and you want to be able to save everything as a desktop file, here it goes. So I'm going to click on my document there. I'm going to click there. Every download that I ever have should always pop up here. Alrighty. I'm going to pop that document right open. And as you notice, if I just click, of course I can't type anything. So what I need to do is press this little button here. Actually, no, sorry. Here, because I want to add text. If I click that, notice it highlights itself blue. If I go over here, highlight that blue. Alright, so basically any section that I click on, it's going to highlight itself blue. I click here, or wherever I want to write my text. And I simply stretch that out. Type my name. I click off, it's there. Let's say that I don't get it right and it ends up somewhere like really funky like that. Literally all I need to do is click here, hold that, and move this around any method I like. Alrighty, it's currently blue right now. Highlight that. I want it to be black. Alrighty. And I can mess around with that, make it as long as I need it to, etc. or whatnot, or whatever. Alrighty. Scroll that over. And here. Alrighty. So then I'm just going to keep moving along. The topic I want to cover is, I don't know, Avid Club. Okay. In the book, I'm going to say it's pages 101 to 103. Comments here. I am currently awaiting the club advisor schedule. Alrighty. Of course, it's going to look a little funky like that, so I'm just going to hit enter, alrighty, backspace or whatever. Just want to kind of keep it all in this box. Alrighty. Completion date. I'm going to leave that blank. Alrighty, because I don't have a completion date yet. But again, so however I want to do this, once I'm done, I need to be sure to hit save. Alrighty, if I hit save, so when the end of the day comes, the bell rang, I want to be able to pop this back open tomorrow. I just hit that first save bar and I just close my document. Okay. Tomorrow, when I come back in, I'm going to press this envelope here at the folder here at the bottom of my computer. Click that. Click on downloads. And I'm going to find my document. Of course, you all don't have as many documents in here as I have. But there's my checklist. Alrighty. Actually, that's the first one that I was working on earlier. Here's the one you all need. Okay. And notice that my information that I started on yesterday is still there. I want to start another day, and I want to now input my information for the GSA club or FFA club, alrighty, or whoever. I can move these things around, alright, to kind of suit my need, to keep it all organized. Again, I can change the color to whatever I may want it to be. May keep it black or simple or whatever. Okay. Alrighty. So I hope this again, because I'm finishing up for today. Once again, I'm going to hit the save. I'm going to close that document right on out, so it'll be there tomorrow. Anyhow, I hope that this was a good review for you all. While I am out today, I will be online probably around about 2 o'clock or so doing a little work. So if you need me, shoot me a message. I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Bye.